Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. My name is Joe, and today I'm very excited that I'm going to bring to you my very first Graham and Pott video here. Really excited about this because I have been hearing amazing things about this brand. Absolutely amazing things. And it's been a while, and now I'm finally getting a chance to experience these. And now we're going to look at the first perfume here in the bunch. I have three that were sent to me. We're going to look at the first one. This one's called Royal Llama. This one sells for 295 British sterling pounds for the 50 ml. And I'm going to crack this thing open and we'll take a look at what's inside. By the way, my wife is going to absolutely steal this thing from me because she loves llamas and she loves alpacas. So with llamas and alpacas in the name, she's just going to have to take this thing from me. Now this is too cute. Look how cute and little this thing is. This is the 50 ml. The 100 ml is basically the same shape, just larger. And what's really interesting is the 100 ml comes in the exact same box as the 50 ml. There's the 50 ml. We got the label right there. 295 British sterling pounds. And you got the leather, sort of leather right here in the collar. Plus you have the Graham and Pott right at the top, which is like your seal. And Royal Llama. Really excited. Let's see what this is all about. I'm going to spray my card. Very nice sprayer. Ooh, I like what I'm smelling so far. Ooh. Beautiful. Features bergamot, saffron, and incense right in the top. So it's very, very epic. And then you have osmanthus flower, nutmeg, and rose. And then it goes into musk, toffee, oud wood. Musk, toffee, oud wood. Sorry. So it's sort of a sweet, woody dry down, but not a stinky fecal animalic oud. Barnyardy, none, not at all. This is a parfum concentration, so it's very strong. Beautiful. Oh my God, beautiful. This is a great first impression. Of course, you know I'm going to be wearing these on skin so I could try them and see what they're like. But I'm so excited to talk about Graham and Pott because for so long I've been seeing people like, dude, you gotta try this. You gotta try this. And here I am, finally getting to try this. Next is Imperial Amber for 420 British sterling pounds. 420. I know, what a great number. And this is what the 100 ml looks like. If I can get the top off of this thing. Try not to fumble through it because I'm not really going to edit this. I'm just going to basically wing it and let it go through. As you can see, the same box for the 100 as it is for the 50, but this time much bigger bottle. And this one's called Imperial Amber. Imperial Amber, look at that. Beautiful metal plaque, again, same cap. Now we have this sort of orangey leather at the top. So you kind of can get an idea of what to expect just by looking at the cap and looking at the top. The cap on this thing, on all of these fragrances, they do not snap in. They're not magnetic. So please be careful. Don't grab the bottle by its cap because you will drop the bottle. You will drop the bottle. Oh my God. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my God. You have this very juicy, fruity opening from the bergamot and the grapefruit. Then it goes into rose and cinnamon and oud. Right there, you could just say, okay, end. But no. Let's just add some amber, patchouli, and cedar to this as well. This is so beautiful. I swear this is going to be a compliment getter Fall, winter, beautiful. I mean, it's not too heavy either. It's like not too cloying, not too heavy. Not as predictable of an amber as you would expect. Very, very well done. Very well done. That's Imperial Amber. Very well done. Graham Pott. Wow. So far, so good. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. And now, last but not least, we're going to go into the Majestic Alpaca. The Majestic Alpaca. Let's see what the Majestic Alpaca brings us. And I'm going to pull this cap off real quick here. And my wife is going to steal this thing from me just because of the name. She loves alpacas. She loves llamas. But you know what? I don't want any drama. I don't want any llama drama from my mama. Just because she wants to take my bottles away. This is Majestic Alpaca for $4.20. British sterling pounds. Again, the concentration is Parfum. 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 Cap. Be careful. Do not take it off. Do not hold the bottle by the cap. Oh my God, another one. Look at this. This one has saffron, incense, and cardamom. Very spicy opening. Then we have iris flower, cinnamon and nutmeg. Even more spices. Musk, vetiver, leather, and amber. There has yet to be one that I did not like. There's yet to be one that I didn't like. That is insane. That is really good. This also could be a fall, winter, very date night, very dressed up fragrance for sure. Majestic Alpaca for the win. Imperial Amber for the win. And the Royal Llama for the win. All three of these are fantastic perfumes. I highly recommend checking them out when you get a chance. I'm going to include a link to their bio, then include a link to their page. You'll see who their stockists are. I believe there's going to be some in the United States if there isn't already. And you will see who is going to be stocking these. So if you are wanting to get these for yourself, if you want to experience the Majestic Llama, or the Majestic Alpaca, or the Royal Llama, then check these out for real. Let me know what you think. If you've already tried these, if one of your favorites was not mentioned here, let me know in the comments below. I would love to see which one it is, and hopefully I'll be able to try those too. Well, this was a fun video, and I'm so glad you tuned in. I'll see you again in a future video, and take care, and have a great day. Bye-bye.